Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to access your reflections for your advisory students. This video will focus on 9th and 10th graders only. So you come to lincolnschool.managebac.com. You log in with your Lincoln email address. I like to say remember me for 30 days, and then you sign in. I don't know your password. Nobody here at school has your password. If you forgot it, just do a password reset. This is my dashboard, and this is where I first land when I log in. In order to find your class students, or the students for your service advisory, you're going to click on Year Groups, and then there should be a list. You might not see all of these. I see everything because I'm an admin. But my group is in 9th grade, so I'm going to click on Class 9th grade. And then I come here, there's a tab that says SA. You click on that, and I can see here my students. I actually can see everybody's students right here, but I'm just going to worry about mine. Let's say I go into hers. She has new changes. Here I can see a list of all of the activities that this student is participating in throughout this year. I can click on the actual list, or on the actual name of the project. Here she's doing Hogar Siembra. She has her description right here. She wants to do a cooking class every week to work with the women from Hogar Siembra. Right now she doesn't have any reflections, but that's where a student would put their reflections. So I can go, you'll notice here, I wrote back to her. I said this project will be approved once you've gotten in touch with the organization and confirmed that you can do it. It looks like she added some reflections here on swimming. So she's got, I practiced swimming, now she's got reflections. She's got some pictures, oh that's so cute. She's got some pictures and she's got some reflections. Now the students in 9th grade, probably after a while, the reflections will get a little bit more extensive. That's pretty much it. You can go in, when you're in the activity, you can see I already approved this, but if you click on experience status, you can say if it's approved or not. You can leave the students comments right here. You can see I left her a comment that it was approved as an experience. They do need one project per year, and the one that says SA with this red bubble, that means Service as Action Project. So that's the one that they're calling their project. All of the rest of these are experiences. All right, that's pretty much it. You just go and do that for each of your students. Thanks a lot.